Dr. Teja again. I wanted to discuss Saturn, remedies for Saturn. Remedies means to appease or to specify negative energy of Saturn that will help us. So we discussed the quality of Saturn, and now today I wanted to let you know some simple remedies how we can appease or specify Saturn negative energy. Now but you need to check in your horoscope where Saturn is placed. If Saturn is placed in Capricorn, in the zodiac sign of Capricorn, it's very strong. If it is in Aquarius, it's very strong. If it is in Libra, it's strong. But if it is in Aries or in Scorpio, then it's not strong. So likewise, you need to find out in which house, there are 12 houses, which house is Saturn and what is the strength of Saturn. That's very important to know. However, doing these remedies to specify the Saturn or appease Saturn negative energy and to strengthen Saturn, that is always good. That you need not to check your horoscope for that. I mean, the remedies that I'm going to explain now, they will help you in day-to-day life, and Saturn will be very happy with you for doing that. Now, always I talk about 3 types of remedies. The first type of the remedy is which will not cost you anything. It is in your hand, I always say. The second type of remedy, you need to be in action. You need to do something. And the third remedy is where you have to spend a lot of money. Yeah, well, that's a third remedy. So I disagree with spending a lot of money for remedies, because these planets, they are like deities and they will never expect you to spend money and waste money. If you have money, you can give it for somebody else. You can help people. Now we know that Saturn is the limping old spiritual teacher, going with a walking stick. Limping old spiritual teacher. So the limping old spiritual teacher, old man, we have to respect. The first thing in Saturn remedy that you have in hand is respecting elders, respecting your teachers, respecting your parents. That is very important. Nowadays, sadly, a lot of teenagers or even the youth, they don't care much about their elders or even their parents. And so therefore we have to respect our grandparents, our parents, our teachers. That's very important, one of the important remedies for Saturn. And then when we respect, how do we respect? When we help them, we do good to them, we do things that they will be happy and we will be helpful to them. You know, when you hear something good from them, their blessings, that is one of the greatest remedies. Blessings, to get blessings from elders. So blessings you can't buy for money. Blessings you have to earn. You need to do something to make these elderly people happy. That's important. And then the other thing in Saturn is the limping old spiritual teacher, going with a walking stick. So the teacher who goes with a walking stick will have no time to rush with you. You need to understand, if you want to get things get done from Saturn or look after you, then you need to go slow, one step at a time, slow and steady. Don't rush. I know a lot of people, they rush, and at the end of the day, after about 10-15 years, they face a lot of problems. So what Saturn wants is take one step at a time, slow and steady. Go slowly with this responsible teacher. Go slowly with responsibility, with maturity, with respect to elders. That is important. Then the other thing is developing a lot of spirituality, because he's a spiritual teacher. Spirituality means working with compassion, loving kindness, and understanding people's problems, and sharing and caring and practicing loving kindness. That is spirituality. So those are most important things which you can do. It is within you. That's very important with Saturn. Then the other thing is giving donations, certain activities. You can give food to poor people. You can even go to an aged care. That is one of the best. Go to an aged care and help these elderly people. See how they are keeping, make them happy. Even if you see some elderly person on the road and if he needs any help, please help them. And recently I saw an elderly person about 90 years old trying to pick some bags from the shopping center with very heavy bags, so he couldn't carry it. So I helped him. He was so happy, and it was a blessing to get his to hear from him that he was happy. So that's what we should do. And then the other thing is you can give food for poor people. That's very important. Or clothing for poor people. So some we think what we earn and what we have, it is only for us. No, it is to share with others. That is important. That's what Saturn wants us to understand. It's good to make money, good to do well and earn a living, but still we can share with others, and that is important. Then the other thing is spiritual activities such as meditation, yoga, and those things also can help very much. Saturn will be very happy. Meditation and yoga will help you to mentally, physically, and spiritually very much. And then we have something that I know that very much people do, that feeding all black animals, black dogs. Even in India they say crows, even in Sri Lanka they say feed crows or black animals. That is also very much good for Saturn, to appease Saturn. And the other thing is then the worshipping, going to temples, worshipping deities, and worshipping 9 planets, go to a temple, that we can do. That's also good. Then another one is mantra. Chanting mantra is pretty good. The syllables, the sound waves from mantra, vibration of mantra can help a lot. This has been there for ages, for 5,000 years. There are over 1,000 mantras in India, and some of the Saturn mantras are very popular. We can chant it for 3 times, 9 times, or 108 times. But on request, I am ready to send you those mantras. Please send me an email. Then I can do that. Shani mantra, that's pretty important, like Neelanjana Sambhasam, Raviputram Yamakrajam, Chaya Martanda Sambhutan Tannamami Sanishcharam. That is another one. And there's another mantra, very easy. Om San Sanishcharaya Namaha. Om San Sanishcharaya Namaha. These mantras are very important. They can help you. And then we have gems, expensive one, where you have to spend a lot of money. One is spending money for gems and spending money for pujas, to do ceremonies and rituals. That will cost money. But first of all, for gems. Gems, of course, Saturn would love blue color, blackish blue. Therefore, we recommend very dark blackish blue sapphire. Don't go for cornflower blue. Cornflower blue is the best quality, flawless, without inclusions. 1 carat cornflower blue will cost you, well, a fortune, about $3,000-4,000. But best is very dark blackish blue, that blue sapphire, an Australian blue sapphire, that they are pretty good in that way. They are very dark, and that will cost about $500 or a little more. But blue. But if the gems are expensive, then you can go to lapis lazuli, a nice beautiful mineral, lapis lazuli. It is opaque, it's not transparent, but that's also a mineral that we recommend to appease Saturn energy. And then people can go for talismans and amulets and things like that. That also will cost, but you can spend for money if gems, but if you have enough money. But I think better we first go with the spiritual activities and the remedies that we have within ourselves. Try that. That will help you always. There's nothing, you will not waste anything by doing, by practicing a spiritual life and by helping people and by helping old people. So this is my message. But please understand, if you have no trust in your karmic journey and spirituality and about Vedic astrology, these remedies will not help. That is, we have to understand. So thank you very much. May Saturn bless you and protect you forever. I look forward to bring a video about Sun, the biggest planet, about Sun next time. Bye-bye.